It's Interference Gaming, back with some more Dead Trigger 2. So last time I did a couple missions, but I'm just gonna continue.
Alright, let's go.
Wait, what? I have to do this part again? Okay.
Shit! Watch out!
I remember when that freaked me out.
Hey, let's take it to the right.
Oh, I almost made that across. I almost got hit by that last time. Oh yeah, red barrels. Okay, I remember how to do this all again. Whoa, headshot. Yeah. Ammo box again. I didn't have to use as much because I got that headshot. But yeah, I still remember. I'll just do all this part. Then I have to get the key. If you watched my last Dead Trigger video, then you would understand.
Come on.
Okay, gotta get the key. Alright, so I got the key. Time to meet her back up on the roof. This is the mission I ended at last video. So okay. Remember this part. I ended after this mission, so I'm just gonna continue after it.
Hurry, get in the car!
Okay. It's starting to glitch out with the controls. But that's fine. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so I'm just gonna keep doing these missions, and I hope they get cooler. Yeah. Hideout.
Alright.
Okay. Yeah. That's fine. Yeah. Okay, got it. Okay, we're gonna do some more missions now. USA. Let's play this one. Okay. It asked if I wanted to record it even though I'm already recording. It's because that's a different recording thing when I'm recording with this. Okay, time to do this.
What do we have here? Shit. Enter the world of pain.
Is that like a bandit guy? Enter a world of pain. That's awesome. Move out of the way, zombies. I'm on a mission.
Searching flesh. Might come in handy. Lock and
Yeah,
load.
it's pretty cool. I love this mission.
Easy prey.
I think he's probably getting get by a zombie. Yep. Yeah.
Ooh, that was gross.
Yeah, it was. Wonder where I'm supposed to be going. Oh, turn to the car.
Might come in handy. Thanks.
Oh, I thought that was something.
Ah, there you are.
Yeah, mission complete. Okay. Let's go to the next mission. Awesome. The left toolbox is back. Here, buddy. Feel free to loot my gold reserves. Gold, it's great. It always makes life so much better. Okay. Yes, I got stuff. Wait. Cool.
All right.
Whoa. Yeah, I want to build that. That's awesome. Okay, I guess I have to put a name. Yeah, Corpse Killer. Yeah. I might have to stop this if you see my password. Let's play. if I was talking a lot before. The parents were talking in the other room, and they're being pretty loud, so I was trying to keep the video going. Yeah, get it. This is a pretty cool gun. Oh god, zombies. Oh yeah, die.
Might come in handy.
Bolt's gun shop. Okay, let's go. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, bam, bam.
Next one.
Oh god, god. Go, 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 go. Ha, headshot. From far away.
Might come in handy.
This is awesome. Ah, zombies. Really good gun. I'm happy I got this. Wow, that was easy. Oh, there it is. Okay, let's go in. It's probably gonna be zombies, but I don't care. Yeah. Just gonna fill up my ammo. Yeah. Go, 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 go. Blah. Sorry if I don't commentate sometimes, because I find it hard to just talk randomly. Okay. I'm supposed to go back here. Found it. Oh, wait a minute. Am I supposed to kill him?
I'll be damned. You're the rescue team?
Come on.
No problem. Let's make a run for it.
Looks like I was supposed to kill him, so I was confused.
Keep me covered.
Hold on.
I'm trying. Hold up. Can't keep you covered if you're just gonna run away.
Feel free to stock up on ammo.
I already did.
Let's move.
Okay. Let's go. Da 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 da.
I need help.
I noticed.
What do we have here?
Don't worry, I got them, buddy. Okay. Let's go. There's probably a zombie over here. Yep. Close up.
Nice.
Where's he going? Oh, never mind. I thought he went a different way. Yeah. Let's get back.
All right. We've made it. Thank you.
Mission complete. Okay, well, that's the end of the episode. I guess I'll see you in the next video. Comment down below in the comments any games you want to play. And if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe.